Hello and welcome to Aparna's Educare. This video is for class 4 students. In this video, I am going to discuss the exercise part of chapter 1 from your English Literature Fusion book. So the first chapter is a poem titled If I Knew. The exercise part of this chapter starts from page number 6. First, the word meanings are given here. So we will discuss the word meanings first. Bolt, lock, broadcast, to send out through various means. Scatter, spread, S-P-R-E-A-D, spread. Frown, angry look. Gather, collect. Monster, huge, non-pleasing. Hire, bring on payment. Depth, distance from the surface to the bottom. Now moving on to the exercise part. Question number A. Tick the correct option. Number 1. The poet wishes to find the dash in which smiles are kept. Answer will be the poet wishes to find the box in which smiles are kept. Option B. Box. Number 2. The poet would be able to dash the box. The poet will be able to open the box. So the answer will be option A, open. Number 3. The faces of the dash might hold the smiles. The faces of the children might hold the smiles. Option C, children. Number 4. I would collect the frowns from nursery, dash and street. I would collect the frowns from nursery, school and street. Option D, school. Moving on to the next question, question number B. Take the correct statements and cross the incorrect ones. 1. The poet wants to find the box in which unhappiness is kept. Wrong. 2. The poet would spread the smiles over land and sea. Right. 3. The children's faces would hold the smiles for many days. Right. 4. The poet would gather the frowns and pack them in a box never to be opened. Right. Next, question number C. Match the groups of words in column A with those in column B. Column A, 1. The poet would open the box of smiles and spread them everywhere. 2. The children would have smiles on their faces for many days. 3. He would gather frowns from everywhere. 4. He would throw the box in the deep water of the sea. Question number D. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct words from the brackets. 1. The key to the box of smiles may be dash. The key to the box of smiles may be large. 2. The bolt of the box may be dash. The bolt of the box may be strong. 3. I would hire a dash to drop the box. I would hire a giant to drop the box. 4. I would pack the dash in a big box and throw it into the sea. I would pack the frowns in a big box and throw it into the sea. Next, question number E. Answer each questions in few words. Number 1. What would open for the poet? Answer. The box of happiness would open for the poet. I repeat, the box of happiness would open for the poet. Question number 2. Whose faces would hold the smiles for many days? Answer. the children's faces would hold the smiles for many days. I repeat, the children's faces would hold the smiles for many days. Next, question number 3. Where does the poet plans to keep all the frowns he meets? Answer. The poet plans to keep all the frowns he meets in a big and large box. I repeat, the poet plans to keep all the frowns he meets in a big and large box. Question number 4. From where would he collect all the frowns? Answer. He would collect all the frowns from the nursery, school and street. I repeat, he would collect all the frowns from the nursery, school and street. Question number F. Answer each question in only one sentence. Number 1. Why does the poet feel it would not be easy to open the box of smiles? Answer. The poet feels it would not be easy to open the box of smiles because it might happen that the box will be large and the bolt will be strong. Question number 2. Where would the poet scatter the smiles? Answer. The poet would scatter the smiles over land and sea broadcast. I repeat, the poet would scatter the smiles over land and sea broadcast. Question number 3. In what kind of box does the poet want to keep the frowns? Answer. The poet wants to keep the frowns in a big and large box. I repeat, the poet wants to keep the frowns in a big and large box. Next, question number 4. How would the poet pack the frowns into the box? Answer. The poet would pack the frowns by holding into the box. I repeat, the poet would pack the frowns by holding into the box. Moving on to question number G. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why is the poet so sure of opening the box of smiles? Answer. The poet is sure of opening the box of smiles because he wants to scatter the smile everywhere and on everyone's face. Question number 2. What would the poet do to the box of frowns? Answer. The poet would pack the frowns in the box and lock it with a monster key and will drop it with the help of a giant into the depth of sea. Now let's move on to the next part of the exercises, that is language ladder. Now let us know what are homophones. Homophones are words that have similar pronunciation but different spellings and meanings. For example, I, EYE, I, BAND, band, BANNED, band, BEB, BEE, BERTH, birth, 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 CELL, cell, SELL, cell, SITE, site, SIGHT, site. So these were some of the examples of homophones. These group of words have similar pronunciation but their spellings and meanings are different. Now, question number H. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct words from the box. Number 1. A snake can dash its hood very high. A snake can raise its hood very high. RAISE, raise. So the answer is RAISE, raise. 2. The dash of the sun make the Himalayas look golden. The rays of the sun make the Himalayas look golden. RAYS, rays. 3. The dash of this tree are very long. The roots of this tree are very long. ROOTS, roots. Number 4. Different trains take different dash to Delhi. Different trains take different routes to Delhi. ROUTES, routes. Number 5. Write on dash paper. Write on plain paper. PLAIN, plain. 6. A plane travels very fast. PLANE, plane. 7. Dash of the students were present in the class. None of the students were present in the class. NONE, none. 8. A dash promises to serve God. A nun promises to serve God. NUN, none. 9. He is the only dash of his parents' property. He is the only heir of his parents' property. HEIR, heir. 10. We cannot survive without dash, water and food. We cannot survive without air, water and food. AIR, air. Now let's do the next page also. A. The first two letters of each word are given in the puzzle. Using the clues given, write the correct letter or letters in the space provided. The first one has been done for you. 1. A human being. Man. MAN, man. 2. A covering for the face. MASK, mask. 3. The head of a town. Mayor. MAYOR, mayor. 4. Sensible like an adult. MATURE, mature. 5. Very huge. Massive. MASSIVE, massive. 6. Pertaining to the mother. MATERNAL, maternal. 7. Rubbing with hands to relieve pain. MASSAGE, massage. 8. The opposite of servant. MASTER, master. 9. A small wooden stick for lighting fire. MATCH, match. 10. A friend. MATE, mate. Next, question number B. Given below are some group of words. One of the word in each group does not belong to the group. Underline it and write it in the space provided. The first one has been done for you. 1. Alto, Mercedes, Ford, Activa. Answer is Activa. 2. Zebra, antelope, snake, kangaroo. Snake. 3. Pacific, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. Answer Pacific. Number 4. Rose, croton, lotus, pansy. Answer croton. 5. India, England, Myanmar, Africa. Answer Myanmar. With this I am ending up this session. Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, children, then don't forget to hit that like button and turn it blue and share it among your friends. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe at home.